Start.
Hello everybody! Today I'm with my penguin set. Now today I'm going to show you what should we do.
See here, before the camera.
And said, first of all you should not
See
leave
here.
the penguin set on your bed.
And show the penguin set. Okay, these are the penguins.
There are 14 penguins.
Show the penguin, one penguin. These are the penguins. Okay. Now, what?
And I have joined them. There are 3 parts. One is white and the other one black and back one black. So
Okay.
that will be one instruction. So now I can't open it. I have already joined them. These all. And they all are mixed in 14. So you should not take. Should I tell you why I'm in the washroom?
Okay.
Because we need.
Show the washroom. Okay, here is the washroom of Elena. This also. Okay. Okay, why we have come in the washroom?
Because we need water of it.
Okay, you need water.
Yeah.
So why don't you use in the bedroom?
Because whenever you use in the bedroom, then like I'm in the bedroom and I'm putting water.
In this way.
And then if the penguin come on the bed, that will be wet. And that will come out and that will go somewhere in. Then we will do like this. Full water will come out. And else that will fall down when you will pick up it.
Okay.
So, and also in the washroom, if you are small, then you should also be with adults in the washroom when you're playing this. And if you are big, don't need adults because in the washroom, if you are putting water.
Now we are getting bored and show the water how to pour water into it.
First, you can take any bottle. I am not putting it over there.
Okay. So fill the bottle. Side by side, keep speaking. Keep speaking. What are you doing?
First, then you have to take out the whole machine.
What is the use of take out these penguins? Keep pouring the water.
Otherwise, when we will put the water, then that must come out.
But after that, it will come out, na? Not before. That's it. Okay. Now put the penguins into it.
And if they are dirty, then you can put inside the water. Don't need to be afraid. Like
Okay, take out the put the bottle side. It is killing the video. Keep speaking. What are you doing? How many these are penguins? How many?
Like if you will count them, that will be.
Now it is floating or not? These are floating.
That will not float yet because that is little water.
Okay, put more little water.
If we will put one by one, then they will be able to float. But I'm putting
Okay, now
more water.
I think sufficient. Yes. Face before the video camera. Yes.
And
Are they floating now?
this one is floating. If I will take out all of them and only keep one, then they can float.
I think you should put only 5 or 4 penguin into it.
Okay.
Take out the rest. Take out. Now Anina is taking out the rest penguin. She will be putting only 4 or 5 penguin so that you can easily see how penguin floats. Now you can see how penguin floats. These are floating in this way. There is no motor in it. You have to do it manually. Yeah. And they are in the competition of floating.
Something like that. If you are there many people, so in this you can do like competition in it.
Competition in the.
Like put them in the line and just do. Who will come first?
Okay, this is mine.
This is mine. Mine is first.
I think now you are.
Now I will. So don't be afraid because here is one thingy. For that you can wash it. And the other thing. You should not hold on.
Have the precautions.
You should not hold for here.
Okay.
You should also first do it little bit.
But don't
on
split
this.
the water.
Do a little bit on this so you will able to do.
Ah.
Then put
Now
it
make
in
the
water
balance.
And then just do
Now what are you going to do?
it up. And we are going
You are throwing water?
Yeah, only little.
Where? In the washroom?
No.
Done.
And then how will you play? I have shown you the first step. If you, they all
What is the second
have
step?
Second step. How to play it.
Okay, how to play with?
Then
What is this called?
finger set mountain.
This is the mountain of ice?
Yeah.
Oh, glacier. You can say glacier.
And there are little cubes. And if that is like not shaking, so the rest
Now what are you doing?
I'm just taking this and putting it. If you don't have even one spray bottle, then you can take one brush and do it by putting
Slowly, by spraying.
Yeah.
Now you will be spraying. Why you are spraying?
So that will look like that is really ice.
Okay.
And that is little melting. And why this is not. And that will down with some water, so
You
that
can
will
see a
also
small
move.
bubbles here. Yeah. They have
Ouch.
just put the penguin on it.
And like I'm small in the house, so we will just take one small and we will put it anywhere. Like I want to put it.
But it fell down. Okay, now you have to make the balance. You have to put more penguins here.
Yeah, if that has been
That
one
is
round,
nice.
then take one more.
But you have to make the balance. You are not making balance because see, what you have to do, you have to put here also.
And if
So
that
it will
is
be
not
best.
being in one round over, so you can put many. And see, I put one more here. And then I'm twisting.
Yeah,
Again.
that's looking nice.
And then again I have to put here. Again. Why these are not falling down?
Why?
How should I know?
You should ask two penguins.
They are not alive.
Just ask them. I think they will be answering you.
No.
They will be
And
replying. you.
second of all, if you are small, don't start to do like this. Hello, hello, hello. They can't talk. These are toys.
But they will try to talk.
How will they talk? They don't have.
Penguin, penguin. In this way.
Yeah.
You can give them sound, voice.
Yeah, you can.
Now you should start speaking the language of penguins. You should try.
I don't know penguins.
Penguin, penguin, penguin.
Oh my god, there are so many penguins. They are not that are falling down. Again. This is very stupid too. Oh my god, they are falling downstairs.
I think our video is going to over 10 minutes. So now make haste. I am going to shut it down. You have 30 seconds to perform
And
your
if
action.
they did fall asleep, this was yes.
Now say okay bye to them.